Swadika everyone! Today we will make a very yummy dumpling soup and it only takes 10 minutes to cook once you have the dumplings ready. If you want to learn how to make the dumpling wrappers dough and how to fold them, I will put link in the description. But for now, let's see how to make a yummy pork filling and a quick reminder of how to fold dumplings for boiling. For the filling, we are going to start with green onion. We will chop it as thin as possible and put it with ground pork. Next is garlic. We will smash it. This is the easiest way to peel garlic. And we will finely chop it. After peeling the ginger, thinly slice it. Now, cut it into thin strips, then finely chop it, and bring it to the bowl. It's time to season the filling. We will use soy sauce, white sugar, oyster sauce, and rice oil. Give it a mix and keep stirring until everything is combined together well. After that, let it sit for about 30 minutes. During that time, we are going to prepare the carrot for the soup. I will use half a carrot only. Let's try to make our carrot like a flower without spending an hour on it. To do so, I will make a deep 5mm notch along the carrot and repeat 4 times. That will give us something like this. Now, we just slice it, not too thick and not too thin either. Isn't it cute? It's very easy to make and lifts up the dish, right? Other than that, we need chopped green onion. So, I hope you didn't put it all in the filling. Now comes the folding part. Today, I will use roast broth and 2 directions pleats. If you want to know more folding method, go check my video about how to fold dumpling wrappers. And if you decide to make the wrappers by yourself and store them, don't forget to put quite a lot of flour in between each before storing, or they will stick to each other. Let's start with the roast broth dumpling. We will add the filling in the center of the wrapper, then lightly tap water around the outer edges. Now, I will cross it half and press it firmly. I will slightly tap water on the left corner of the wrapper, then press the 2 endings together. Following, we will make the 2 directions pleats. Put the filling, fold it in half at the middle point, then make a pleat from right to left and repeat 3 more times. After that, we will make another 4 pleats, but this time from left to right. Press to seal it well, and we got it. Do as many dumplings as you want, then head to the cooking stove. In the pot, we will add water and the carrot and let it boil on medium heat. Once it starts bubbling, we will add soy sauce and chicken powder. Then stir to mix and set it aside. Now we are going to boil our dumplings in the boiling water. I'm going to place it in a pot gently and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. You will know it's cooked when the dumplings start to float up. Then take it out and drain the water. Let's place them in a nice bowl. Add some garlic oil and ladle some soup and carrots. Sprinkle some green onion on top. And voila! Now let's serve it while it's still hot, because cold dumpling soup is unacceptable. Don't forget to check my video on how to make your own homemade dumpling wrappers and the one on how to fold them. Also, please subscribe if you enjoyed this video and click the bell to make sure you will not miss my next yummy recipe. Thank you for watching. See you on Thursday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย